So before we start the recording of the final boss robot matches for the 2020 Virtual Robotics Club, let's go over the updated rules. Now, if you'd like to review these rules while you watch the video, I'll be posting them in the description below. Matches last 45 seconds from when the robots are turned on. Extra time may be allotted if a robot is pushing a boss robot off the arena or is in contact with a boss robot. Extra time ends when all the wheels of a boss robot go outside the arena, when a boss robot is flipped over and cannot drive, or when the robots are no longer in contact with each other. Competing teams win if they are able to push all the boss robots' wheels outside the arena. Outside the arena is the surface next to the electric tape parameter. Competing teams win if they are able to flip the boss robot over and the boss robot is unable to drive around the arena. The boss robot wins if time runs out and it is still mobile in the arena. The boss robot wins if all the team's robots are outside the arena and or flipped. If at least one team robot is in the arena, the light surface surrounded by electrical tape, other team robots that have been pushed out or driven off the arena may rejoin the match. The team robots may only rejoin the match if they autonomously drive back into the arena. So with that, enjoy the matches. Match 1, let's head to the arena. On the far side you have Dragon 32, in the center you have Dragon 25, and on the near side you have Dragon 99, and they're facing off against the boss robot, the mighty Flea. 2 spikes in the plow, let's see how we do here. The spike robot already being very aggressive on the near side, getting underneath the mighty Flea. The other spike robot stuck on his teammate, but it disengages, and now all 3 robots are trying to push Mighty Flea out towards the edge. The Mighty Flea is 3 times the weight of the other robots, but half as small. And it looks like the spike robot just can't get enough grip to push out the Mighty Flea. It looks like the Mighty Flea is actually controlling from underneath, from on top of the spike robot's spikes, controlling the spike robot. Will the spike robot be able to get enough grip? And it looks like the other spike robot has pushed the plow robot out. The other spike robot here looking for some help from the other spike robot. Both now are locked in a battery drain situation where all the wheels are spinning on all 3 robots, but there is movement. So the match will continue on. They're pushing the Mighty Flea close there to the right side of the arena. Now the Mighty Flea is trying to spin both of them around, hoping to get them close to that edge. Now look at this move here. Now both spike robots are pushing the Mighty Flea out. I think the Mighty Flea is done for, and it is. Team Dragon takes the win and celebrates. Well done, Team Dragon. Let's take a look here. Team Dragon just starts off very aggressive, getting spikes lodged right underneath the Mighty Flea. All 3 robots here trying to push the Mighty Flea out. The Mighty Flea spinning and dodging. The Mighty Flea is so heavy that the spike robot is actually being controlled by the Mighty Flea. But look at this. Both spike robots working together to push out the Mighty Flea. Well done. Team Dragon wins. Match 2. Let's head to the arena. On the far side is Phoenix 98. In the center is Phoenix 37. On the near side is Phoenix 9. Facing off against the boss robot, Dewey the Dragon. Let's see how they do. 2 wedges in the plow robot. Coming in early on Dewey the Dragon. Dewey the Dragon having trouble getting underneath the wedges. The wedge is pushing Dewey the Dragon very close to the near edge of the arena. Dewey the Dragon just hanging on by the wedge. Looks like Dewey the Dragon's just hanging on now by 1 wheel. Dewey the Dragon is stuck trying to back up. And look at the second wedge comes in and takes down Dewey the Dragon. Excellent job by Team Phoenix here. Very aggressive from the start. All three robots helping out. And then the wedge robot nearly flips Dewey the Dragon, but then gets caught on the edge of the arena. Sensors activating and escaping. But right here, the second wedge comes from all the way on the far side of the arena, drives over its teammate, and takes out Dewey the Dragon. Team Phoenix wins. Well done. Match 3. Far side's Mountain Line 72, and the center is Mountain Line 60. Near side is Mountain Line 10. The boss robot is Beetlebot. Alright, 2 spikes and a wedge coming in early on the Beetle Robot. The Beetle Robot is very dangerous. It's known for being very aggressive and having a lot of speed with 4-wheel drive. It looks like the team has already lost one robot, and here comes the Beetle Robot pushing out a second robot. Will they be able to join in? Beetle Robot sizing up the wedge. The wedge spins and deflects Beetle Robot. Now the wedge comes in for attack. Beetle Robot attacking from behind. Beetle Robot will flip around its movement functions when it starts overheating. This could spell trouble for the Beetle Robot. But remember, if the Beetle Robot can stay within 45 seconds, it'll beat the other team. Beetle Robot attacking, not having enough torque. Wedge Robot attacking, not having enough torque either. Both robots are in the arena. This is a very close match. Who will take the victory? Will it be Beetlebot, or will it be the lone wedge robot? Both searching around for each other on opposite sides of the arena, and it looks like the wedge robot drives out. Look at the aggression from this team here. Attacking Beetlebot early on, but taking out one of its teammates. Beetlebot circling around, trying to take out 2 robots at the same time. The wedge spins and dodges. Beetlebot wins. Well done to the team. Very close. Match 4. Let's head to the arena. On the far side, you have Sea Serpent 63. In the center, Sea Serpent 5. On the near side, Sea Serpent 81. And the boss robot is Dewey the Dragon. 2 wedges and a spike. First Sea Serpent is out already by Dewey the Dragon. 2 spike robots looking around to try to find a way to take down Dewey the Dragon. Dewey the Dragon having trouble with grip. And it looks like one of the spike robots also is having trouble with grip. The arena does take some damage. Oh, what a move there. Both spike robots are trying to lodge themselves underneath Dewey the Dragon. The one on the far side has gone underneath the Dewey the Dragon, but the other one is propped up on Dewey the Dragon's wedge and unable to escape. They're both in a they're all in a battery draining situation here, but there is some slight movement, so we'll keep the match running. Spike robot's just trying to get 1 inch underneath the robot. Even a centimeter will make a change. It can change the complete torque of all the motors, giving them opportunity to get Dewey the Dragon out of the arena, and vice versa. And here we go. Here's the move. Dewey the Dragon has escaped. 2 spike robots are stuck on each other. Time is drawing close to an end. Will Team Sea Serpent be able to push Dewey the Dragon out? It looks like one is already stuck on the edge. The other one is stuck in the circle function. Oh, now joined by the second spike robot. Dewey the Dragon not getting any traction whatsoever. Both spike robots are now back into the action. And it looks like Dewey the Dragon will take this one. 45 seconds has been passed. Good try though, Sea Serpent. Very aggressive. Interesting strategies here with the 2 spike robots. Well done. Dewey the Dragon takes that one. Match 5. Let's head to the arena. Sabretooth 51 on the far side. Center, Sabretooth 77. Near side, Sabretooth 73. And they're taking on the boss robot, the Beetlebot. All 3 types of robots are in the arena here for Sabretooth. Very aggressive strategy. Beetlebot slamming into the wedge robot. Wedge robot trying to spin away. Spike robot has driven off the arena. Oh, now Spike robot's back, but the plow robot is out. What a massive attack by the Beetlebot. Spike robot trying to get in. Wedge robot has driven off now. Spike robot spins Beetle out. Beetle going for the wedge robot. The wedge robot is distracting Beetle. Beetle is not backing up. Is trying to go in for an attack, but its sensor is holding it back. All it will take for Sabretooth is if the spike robot can spin in. Dangerous move from backup, but it gets them close to Beetlebot. Beetlebot gets stuck, and it looks like Sabretooth has Beetlebot. Beetlebot is out. Well done, Team Sabretooth. Very aggressive strategy on Team Sabretooth. Beetlebot taking heavy attacks. So does Team Sabretooth. The Wedge Robot doing an excellent job distracting Beetlebot here. And then the Spike Robot trying to make its way over to the Beetlebot, trying to use its sensors. And finally, after a few spins, takes out Beetle Robot. Well done, Team Sabretooth. Sabretooth takes the win. Let's head on out to match 6 here. So match 6, let's see who's in the arena. We have on the far side Yeti 47. On the center we have Yeti 29. In the near side we have Yeti 34 against the boss robot, the mighty Flea. 2 wedges and a spike. The wedge and the spike both get underneath and take the mighty Flea out. Not even a competition. That was very impressive. The mighty Flea is 3 times the weight of those robots, but working together takes out the mighty Flea. Yeti wins. Let's head to the next match. Well done, Yeti. Match 7. Let's head to the arena and see who's in. We have Pegasus 90 on the far side. In the center, we have Pegasus 29. On the near side, we have Pegasus 16 versus Dewey the Dragon. Dewey the Dragon, late on entering, getting Pegasus all tangled up with each other. Here comes Dewey the Dragon trying to take out all 3. The wedge stops him. Spike Robot trying to escape. The other wedge helps Spike Robot out. Dewey the Dragon misses his attack. Spike Robot escapes. Now the wedge is looking for an attack. Can't get underneath Dewey the Dragon. Spike Robot drives out. Dewey the Dragon looking for an attack. Trying to push out the wedge robot. The wedge robot is stuck there and backs out of the arena. Trying to get back into the arena. Other wedge robot doing the circle function. Very dangerous in the corner. Here comes Dewey the Dragon trying to take out the wedge robot. The wedge robot spins away. And it looks like it's a counter. And it is. And it looks like Dewey the Dragon is on the edge and drives out. Well done. Very aggressive strategy here. Dewey the Dragon entering late, causing them to get tangled up. Dewey the Dragon again coming in on Pegasus. Pegasus here working very well together as a team to help each other out, trying to dodge Dewey the Dragon. Dewey the Dragon taking out the first wedge robot here. The first wedge robot comes back in, and then Dewey the Dragon moves on to the second, but the second with an amazing counter spin takes Dewey the Dragon out. Not even a competition. Well done, Team Pegasus. Let's move to the next match here. Match number 8. Let's see who's in the arena. We have on the far side Kraken 26. On the center we have Kraken 75. On the near we have Kraken 84 against the boss, the mighty Flea. 2 plow robots, the mighty Flea, already with Kraken. Both being very aggressive here. Oh, looks like we have 2 plow robots now trying to take out the Kraken. But the Kraken will have nothing to do with it. Both Kraken's robots is taking out the mighty Flea. Mighty Flea is out. What's this? Kraken scores the first flip. We'll have to take a closer look here. Team Kraken with 2 plow robots and the Spike Robot aggressively attacking. Spike Robot covering the upper corners. The second plow robot just moving extremely fast. Getting under the mighty Flea and then flipping the mighty Flea. The first flip we've seen. Good job, Team Kraken. Let's head to the next match here. Match number 9. Second to last match. Let's see who's in the arena. Far side is Griffin 36, center Griffin 15, near side Griffin 16 against the boss robot Beetlebot. Beetlebot has shown a very strong showing here, but Griffin is also a very strong team, using one of each robot types. And it looks like Beetlebot has taken out the wedge robot, but at a cost. It looks like Beetlebot is already overheating. Griffin there, circling around, looking to take Beetlebot down in the corners. Beetlebot dangerously driving backwards. Now dangerously going forwards and almost driving out of the arena. Backing up, looking for that second plow robot, but gets distracted by the wedge robot. The wedge robots are doing a great job distracting Beetlebot. Beetlebot again going in, taking down the wedge robot. Backing up and right into the plow. It looks like they have him, and they do. Well done. Team Griffin being a strong showing here. Beetlebot not being able to get underneath the wedge robot. The wedge robot using spin functions to keep it planted on the ground. Again, Beetlebot is just distracted by this wedge robot here. Backs right up and the plow robot comes in and finishes the job. Well done, Team Griffin. Alright, final boss. Let's see who it is. match 10 against CodeRed's ICEI. They built this robot to compete against you all. So far side is Wolf 68, center is Wolf 83, near side is Wolf 27, and the boss is CodeRed ICEI. Wolf having the highest score out of this entire competition. Now ICEI is using an interesting strategy. It only attacks when it senses a robot and stays planted. ICEI again being 3 times the weight of other robots. This is going to take some teamwork. And Team Wolf has that teamwork. ICEI coming in trying to take out all 3 at the same time, but the sensors fail to pick up as a spike robot and the far side wedge or plow robot escapes. ICEI again trying to attack the near side plow robot, trying to push ICEI. Now here comes the second plow robot from the far side, and the spike robot strains him out. And it looks like ICEI could be out. We're going to have to take a closer look there, but we're going to continue the battle. The plow robot gets confused and takes down the spike robot. All it'll take is 1 large hit, and it looks like this might be it, but no! The wolf takes on the other Team Wolf robot. Can they get 1 more attack in? It's searching. It's doing a great job searching at such a high speed too. Uh-oh, this could spell danger. They're stuck on the edge. The wolf drives out, and then ICEI does the final spin attack. We'll have to take a closer look to see who the victors are. Wolf being aggressive and using very good spaced out motions, working as a team to block ICEI's attacks and dodge them. But right here, the plow robot and the spike robot tango. Both plow robots getting in. Spike robot straining him out, trying to get into the action. And it doesn't look like they put ICEI out. ICEI just holds on. Remember, the wheels have to fully clear, and it looks like on the right side stays on the arena. The left side just touches out. Now look at this massive speed attack here. Goes in and pushes the other wolf robot, almost taking ICEI down. And then ICEI with the final spin motion. CodeRed ICEI wins this one. Nice try, Wolf. Well done. Good programs. Kept it entertaining. So I want to thank you all for participating in this. Thank you for being flexible with us to do this virtually. It's been an absolute blast. You've all done a great job. Don't worry if you've been pushed out of the arena by an opponent or by a boss robot. You did a great job. Your code made it entertaining, and I can't wait to see you all in the next virtual club. Until then, I'll see you later.